how to change the ShortMax subtitles. Just open the app. Now, to change the ShortMax app subtitles, you can go to the settings first, but usually there isn't a feature to change subtitles when watching a video. The subtitles are automatically in English, for example. Here's a way, guys, to change the subtitles. Go to the profile, then select language. Just change it to Indonesian or Japanese, whichever you prefer. Once that's done, just go back and the subtitles will automatically change to the country you selected. There you go. Well, it has changed to the subtitles of the country you chose. That's how you change the subtitles. Just change the language. Okay, that's it for the method. Subscribe if the video is useful.